Welcome back to JB Reviews. Today we have to do some testing because, as you guys know, me and Ben Byerly ordered some Banks boost tubes and inlet. So Ben, what are we doing today?
So we're going to go out and do some towing up to Park City. Okay. We did a 0 to 60 with the trailer on there. Some good footage. Yes. I think people will be impressed. And then here in a couple days we're going to have the parts put on the trucks, and then we'll do it again, and hopefully we'll see some big improvements, or at least some improvements. So.
Yes, at least some sound. You know, I'm okay with the sound too.
Sounds good, right?
Awesome. You want to drive your truck first?
Let's do it.
Cool, let's go.
Looks like we're good. You ready?
Yep, let's go.
Okay.
$30. 60.
You want to drop down to about 50 right here?
Okay.
Just a little bit, as much as you can.
Get over here just a minute. I can do it over here easier.
All right, there you go. Let's go.
Okay.
All right, guys, this is the grade, and we're wide open throttle. Look at that bad boy. He doesn't even know it's towing right now.
Nope. I'm going to go clear over.
No, you're fine.
Well, we got the... I don't know if that guy's broke down or if he's actually getting a ticket.
Uh-oh. You still wide open throttle?
Now I am.
Okay. It's doing good. And this is the same weight that my truck had too, by the way.
70.
You're doing pretty good though.
Now we'll probably hit 75.
See, this is where it gets really steep. 73. Transmission's at 178, it was at 169 before we started, I believe. 74 miles an hour. Yes. Why are these cars going so slow? There it is. Yeah, it's okay. We're good. You can get off right here. So we ended off at 75 miles an hour. That's not bad, dude. Not bad at all. Alright, so Ben's gonna show you guys his exhaust rig. It seems like it's working pretty good, right?
It feels like it. I mean, it's done a spectacular job towing with the fifth wheel and even towing with this trailer behind us now.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see what happens, because there's still a little bit more gray left here.
Not really picking up speed very fast, didn't we? Well, we should kick on here in a second. There it goes.
There it is. That was just one brake cycle?
Yep.
It is working though. You guys see that the speed is dropping. Earlier when we were going about 75, it actually initiated by itself without even having to tap the brakes. So we are still going down slightly. There's probably like 4% right here. Back there it was 6%, but it was working a lot better for sure.
Oh yeah, and then when I hit the gas to kind of pick up the speed a little bit, it cut right off.
Yeah.
But I've had no problem with the engine brake, and I've felt secure with it when it's kicked in. And it's been really nice. You can hear it. Just roar up.
If I get a chance, I'm going to probably get a Ram for you, because I want to see how you think about those trucks. You never owned a Ram before, right?
Never owned a Ram.
So it'd be nice for you to get the perspective of that truck too, because I am planning on doing a video who I think has the best HD truck, because I still get that question, and I'm going to break it down probably in different segments because you can't answer that question in one video. I think it needs a lot of perspective, right?
Oh yeah, definitely needs a lot of perspective.
So yeah, I definitely want to get your thoughts on the Ram truck to see what you think about it.
There it goes, it kicked in again.
Oh, it did? Nice.
I'll tell you what, so I've had the GMC for over a year now. My first HD truck, and I have loved every minute of it.
What'd you have before?
I had a Toyota.
Okay.
So just a half ton. It did the job for what I needed, but when I started towing, you know, bigger trailers, started towing the side-by-side, you could definitely feel that it was back there, and he ran out of pedal quick.
And yours had a 430 rear end too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
With the 5.7, yeah.
Yeah, definitely knew it was back there. Definitely had run out of steam. So.
Yeah. Well, like I said, the Ford trucks, we know they're faster for sure. If I have a chance, maybe if I get a Ford, I can have you drive that one too to see what you think.
Yep. The last Ford truck I drove would have been my grandpa's back in the early 90s. He had an F-250 or an F-350 because he towed trailers all the time, and it was a long bed.
Mm-hmm.
That thing was a beast.
Yeah. Up next is my truck. Unfortunately, we hit really bad traffic, so I had to cut out some of the footage, and I did not record fuel economy because it wouldn't have been apples to apples anyways. But I'm going to show you guys some of the RPMs on my truck, 0 to 60, and then you guys will see the 6% grade. Alright, so here's wide open throttle. I'm going downhill, so let me just gotta level off here. And then we'll be kind of going up a hill a little bit. Alright, here we go. Wide open throttle. See, this Duramax, it pulls harder.
It does.
Like, I can clearly tell, like, when we drove that last one, it was a Gen 1 L5P 2020, so I had the 10-speed transmission, 342, pretty much the exact same truck, just different Duramax. I feel like I hit a brick wall when I, like, did wide open throttle. Like, I feel like there was, like, just enough power to, like, get you a couple miles an hour up, but that was it. But this one feels, it dropped down a little bit more confidently. It just feels a little bit more stronger, for sure. Here we go.
$30. $60. Quarter one.
All right, here we go, guys. Wide open throttle. Actually, hold on. I gotta start at 50. We'll do the same with your truck.
Okay.
We just have to remember these yellow signs here.
Okay.
Oh, dude, this is so much stronger than the Gen 1. So much stronger. It's, yeah, no comparison.
Just look at you, just cruising.
You can hear the engine a little bit better. And I have 35 just like that truck did too, so there's no excuse there.
Nope.
Look at this, dude. Oh my gosh, I can't wait till we get the banks. And see, that truck shifted about the same spot.
Yep.
And there's a little bit of sway.
It's got to be a little bit of wind.
71. There goes the fans. Uh-oh. It might have topped it out. And I didn't mention this, but we were at like 6.4 when we started. With the L5P Gen 1, we were at 6 mpg in the same spot. We're at 73. Wow. Come on, get to 75. 74.
You said you've never hit 80, right?
Yeah, only with the forward power stroke. The 2022. And I'm pretty sure if I got a F450 with the 430 gears that it has, that'll probably go 82, 83. We're at 75. Wow. That is really good. Did yours pop yet?
Yes.
Mine just popped.
About the same spot.
Yeah. There it is. 75 miles an hour. That is not bad. That is not bad. Good job, GM. Now we gotta figure out which way we gotta go home.
That was 5-6 miles long now.
Yeah.
Just stop.
That's an hour and a half minimum, I'm willing to bet you.
Alrighty, so as far as the temperatures go on that diff, about 190 degrees, 191. Tires out back, about 113 is what I saw.
114.
Front ones, about 100 degrees.
It's about 90 degrees outside. About 312 degrees on that turbocharger, which is pretty dang good. About 130 degrees on the intake. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hope it was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We are going to be doing some installs on the trucks, as been said. Actually, this coming Sunday with Josh. You guys met Josh on the channel. He's actually a CARMTEK, and he's going to be working on some GMC. So I don't know. We might have to have him cross over or something like that. But again, be sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.
Peace.
Peace.